Good morning, students of class 8. Today we are going to discuss about all the homework and classwork we did throughout these 2 weeks. So today I'm going to explain you each and everything. So before your copies come to me for checking, I want these all work done in your copies, and it's absolutely fine however the way you did it, but the thing is that the homework and classwork needs to be done in your copy. So let's begin with it. The first thing you have to do is name, class, subject, and on very next page make this title first bi-monthly. Then you have to mention your first chapter, all the worlds as stage, and the date from which we start reading it, from where on very first week we started doing parts of speech. So not that day, the 2nd of August, but you have to mention the date when we start reading this chapter. Then you have to make the title page all the worlds are stage. I was in a hurry, so my writing is quite off. It's absolutely fine, but your work should be neat and clean. The very next exercise is exercise A. Take the correct option. It's absolutely fine however you did it, or someone who haven't done it can do it like the way I did. You have to correct the answer with the black pen or black marker, whatever. So you need to complete this exercise, and then if you remember in last class we did question answers related to this chapter, which is our exercise B, and we did it. So I want that all work in your copy. So before you giving your copies for checking, make sure this all work is done and completed. It should be neat and clean. So you know what, before coming for physical classes, make sure that you have thoroughly read this poem. Coming to your grammar and composition portion, so if you remember we did first week parts of speech from 2nd of August. Do you remember? Yes, you need to make first parts of speech title. If anyone haven't made it, so make sure to mention it somewhere. Parts of his speech need to be mentioned somewhere, or if you haven't done work, so make sure to make the first thing you made title page. Then you had the homework, write an introduction about yourself, which was given on 2nd August 2021. That should need to be done in your copies. I'm going to check it for sure. Then you have to make these 10 sentences. तो अगर किसी ने 1 to 10 डिस्क्राइब भी किया हुआ है, यानी कि एक्शन वर्ब भी बताया हुआ है और डिस्क्राइब भी किया हुआ है वर्ब को, विच इज़ कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव, और अगर अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है 10 सेंटेंसेस बनाए हुए हैं, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. अगर किसी ने नहीं किया हुआ तो वो 10 सेंटेंसेस वर्ब्स के बना ले, फिर 10 सेंटेंसेस एडजेक्टिव के बना ले. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट आपका काम, आपको होमवर्क दिया था, आपका वो काम कॉपी में मौजूद होना चाहिए. सो इफ़ यू वांटेड, आप 1 to 10 सेंटेंसेस बनाएं और उसी में मेंशन कर दें कि ये है एक्शन वर्ब और ये है जो डिस्क्राइब करना है वर्ब को, विच इज़ कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. So this is how you can do it. For more practice, you can make 10 each sentences of verb and adjective. It's absolutely on you. So moving on to the exercises, proverbs. क्योंकि कुछ होमवर्क हमने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के, कुछ ओरली थे, कुछ वो थे प्रैक्टिस थी, और कुछ रिटर्न थे. तो रिटर्न वाले मैंने मेंशन कर दिए हैं. देन यू हैव प्रोवर्ब, जिसमें हमने एक्सरसाइज F की थी, कंप्लीट दीज पॉपुलर वर्ड्स, जो कि आपको प्रोवर्ब वाली वीडियो में मिल जाएगा कि कैसे मैंने इसके जो आंसर्स बताए थे वो आपने मेंशन करने हैं विद दी प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज, जो कि आपके बुक में मौजूद है. आपने वो पहले हाफ सेंटेंस उतारना है और आंसर जो है, जो मैंने दिया है आपको वीडियो में, वो लिखना है. देन आई हैव गिवन यू द होमवर्क, जिसमें आपने 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाने थे यूजिंग प्रोवर्ब्स. तो आई एम श्योर कि जब मुझे कॉपीज़ आएँ तो वो होमवर्क मौजूद हों जो मैंने आपको दी हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वन, आपके 5 सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग प्रोवर्ब मौजूद होने चाहिए कॉपीज़ में. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट. सो इंशाल्लाह आई विल सी यू